All right, good day. Roger Martin for Billings, Montana. Recording this from Goldcast, and I'm learning about this Jim Kwik. Very interesting man on brain power and strengthening the brain. He's going to give us 10 good things to improve our memory. Here they are.
Memory. There's just a trained memory and an untrained memory.
And he says a trained memory. I have to work on getting and training my memory. We all do.
So I'm going to share with you right now the 10 secrets to a better memory. Number one is a good brain diet. You are what you eat. There are certain foods that are really good for your brain, good for your focus, good for your memory. There are things like avocado, things like brain berries or blueberries, things like broccoli, things like coconut oil, things like eggs, if that's allowed in your diet. Green.
And even that can be better. We're going to move on here. Sardines, he says, is another one. Wildly caught. Interesting. I don't wildly catch sardines, but that's interesting. He says killing ants, and it's not stepping on ants. This is what he means by ants.
Two, killing ants. Killing ants, actually, research says is good for your brain. You're like, Jim, I don't want to kill insects. I don't mean ants like that. I mean automatic negative thoughts. It was coined by Dr. Daniel Amen, who's a famous.
Automatic negative thoughts. So we need to control our negative thinking. So important, so important. I got to really work on that. Let's get on to the next one. He talks about exercise.
3 key for unlocking your quick brain is exercise, right? And I mean physical exercise. People who are more physically active will do better on mental acuity, focus, and memory tests.
Okay, let's get to the next one. Talks about who you spend your time with.
Jim Rohn has said that you are the average of the 5 people you spend most time with. So who are you spending time with, and why does it relate to your brain? Because it's not just your biological networks or your neurological networks, it's your social networks. Are you spending time?
This is so important. You don't want to get it with negative people, but you want to be with positive people that challenge you and that you challenge them. It should be synergistic. Clean environment, clutter and stuff. Clean environment. These are habits. Talks about sleeping, brain protection, a helmet.
To the day you die. What nourishes your brain are 2 things. Number 1 is novelty. Number 2 is nutrition. It also is on the cover of Time magazine.
So novelty and nutrition, you got to learn new things all the time. Talks about these lifelong learners, the women.
Key for unlocking your quick brain, stress management. This is a huge one. When you're in fight or flight, stress, you hit cortisol, adrenaline. It's good for physical activity. It's not good if you need to study. It's not good if you need
stress. Great deal of stress is not good for brain and study. Okay, those are 10 items. We'll play this back through Facebook Live and make some comments on it. Again, this is Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. 10 quick habits and more for improving your brain and mental capabilities. Good day.